Hi, boys and girls. We will learn a new skill. We will learn a new skill. We will learn a new skill that can help you learn to read. Boys and girls, in this lesson, we're going to add sounds to make new words. So help me recite our I can statement. Yes. I can add sounds to make new words. One more time. I can add sounds to make new words. Okay, great. We're going to pull our words over here. Now, tell me what the first word is we see here. What word is that? Yes. It is at. Yes. We just sound out these letters. This letter A, which makes the A sound. Letter T, which makes the T sound. And we blend it fast. At. Great. I have a question. What if we took the T off of at and we added a, let's see. Now what's the new word? Yes. And. What if we took the back? And what if we replaced it with a g? Now what's the word? Yes. Ag. Okay, let's slide that g off of there. We're going to add this p up there. Now, boys and girls, what is the word now? Yes. Out. Slide that back down. Let's put this t back with this word at. And we are ready for our activity. Let's go ahead and start our song that we're going to need for our activity. Are you ready? Okay. I am adding sounds to words, sounds to words. I am adding sounds to words, sounds to words. If you take the word at and put a in front, tell me what is the new word? The new word. Hat. You got it right. Let's take that off and put that there. I am adding sounds to words, sounds to words. I am adding sounds to words, sounds to words. If you take the word and put a right in front, tell me what is the new word, the new word. Yes, can. Let's hurry, let's hurry. Put that goof there. I am adding sounds to words, sounds to words. I am adding sounds to words, sounds to words. If you take the word add and put a b right in front, tell me what is the new word, the new word. Yes, it's bad. Let's hurry. Let's use this one. I am adding sounds to words, sounds to words. I am adding sounds to words, sounds to words. If you take the word app and put a right in front, tell me what is the new word, the new word. Yes, cap. Let's hurry, let's hurry, let's hurry. I am adding sounds to words, sounds to words. I am adding sounds to words, sounds to words. If you take the word and put a right in front, tell me what is the new word, the new word. Yes, fan. Great job, boys and girls. Great job. Okay. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Give a little pat. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Fold them up and place them in your lap.